Hey guys, it's West the DW Monster Jam fan, and today we're going to be opening my 255th monster truck here. So let's see what we have here. So we have a Team Hot Wheels Firestorm. I already have it. Avenger Chrome, I need this one. Thunder 4x4, I need that. Jurassic Tag Green, I need that. Shocker X-Ray, already have. Team Ments already have. Doomsday Color Treads already have, and Maxi already have. This one is Avenger Chrome. So I bought and unboxed this yesterday and now I get to unbox it today. And tomorrow's the Super Bowl, so comment down below who you want to win. This Avenger is awesome. I got this at Walmart, by the way. And so really what they have is the Flames, the Avenger. Then on the top we got the big Flames, the Lucas Oil Crusader, and Garner's Towing. And then we got the skull here, and we also got the same on here. So the flag, this side says Avenger, and this side has the skull with the flames. This is an awesome Avenger truck, really. I can't wait to get the black one on the 5-pack, really. So yeah, one more thing. I want to try to do something on the ramp. Anyway, never mind, guys. So this is going to be it for the Avenger Chrome video. I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below who you want to win the Super Bowl. Subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Alright, guys. So let's do the flip ramp in 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! No way! 3, 2, 1. Oh, and it landed. Let me try another one. 3, 2, 1. That's awesome.